Annette Reeder here, the Biblical Nutritionist, and we are on another grocery discovery. Okay, I've already told you many times that chocolate is my favorite food, so I wanted to point out how to pick a good chocolate. So I have 3 of them here. They're all 3 really good brands. They're all 3 good quality, but there are certain things you want to look for on a chocolate bar that makes one a better option than another. This first one I have here is the milk chocolate. We've got 37% cocoa. Okay, milk chocolate typically will be low in the cocoa because it's more about the texture and the flavor than it is about the cocoa. So although it is organic, it's a good brand, it's still not my product of choice. The next one is, as I'm shuffling cards here, the next one would be this one. This is a dark chocolate, so you know that's going to be a plus as far as I'm concerned, but it's a 72%. Now that's going to be a little bit strong for people who are not used to the dark chocolate, the good quality dark chocolate, but yet, although it's good and it has everything check marked, it's gluten-free, it's GMO verified, it's even got cherries if you love that, but still my product of choice is going to be this one because it's 85% cocoa. Anytime you're at 70% or higher, you're going to have a more nutritious, more antioxidant-rich chocolate bar. So this would be my product of choice, although some people will say, oh, that's way too dark, but I love it. Now, the other key about eating a bar like this, do not eat it in one sitting, okay? This has 12 pieces to it, which they say is 2.5 servings. 12 pieces should be 12 servings. 1 piece per day, and you will do great. If you're gonna eat the whole bar in one day, you're gonna have trouble. So you need to talk to me about it. This is Annette Reeder, the Biblical Nutritionist. I'm on mission to keep you on mission.